horseshoe.
Manitou Springs is a resort city in Colorado just outside Colorado Springs. It's known for its mineral springs and mountain landscapes dominated by soaring Pikes Peak. The Manitou Cliff Dwellings are a group of reassembled ancient cliff structures. Hundreds of steps lead up to a steep slope on Manitou Incline Trail. Manitou Avenue is home to art galleries and special boutiques, some of which I will cover today in my vlog. Hope you enjoy it and have a good time. Thank you for watching.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at this new site in Colorado and we're gonna check it out soon. Alright, so we're in Manitou Springs and we're gonna try the natural spring water here. Check this out. This is the natural spring. Smells like soda, aerated water. Yeah, it does smell like, tastes like soda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tastes like soda.
Yeah. So this is the other Dolomite spring. You can see the calcifications right there, and they've preserved this. So we're just walking through the downtown area of Manitou Springs, and this is south of Denver, and it's a small town where they have like natural springs. And this is a glimpse of that.
Oh yeah.
But the story is pretty.
Yeah. I always really liked his art. I just never knew him personally.
Oh, that's right.
I thought they'd have his glass blower, no? No, we haven't been able to do demonstrations ever since the start of COVID, and I think it's just not something that's going to come back. Our glass blowers are older gentlemen, and they prefer to work from their own studios. Oh, okay.
They're working remote.
So glad to see him.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do have a video playing on the TV in the back. That's the glass blowing. But that's about the closest we have. Okay.
Even the glass. Why not?
Kids are on their way down. She's not done.
I hope they had.
She lives around here, right? She can come back.
Manitou's mineral springs have been appreciated for their healthful benefit throughout their history. So these are the springs dried up, not sure. Yes, you see the dolomite calcification and they've preserved it like this. So all throughout this city there are these structures that preserve the springs. So I wanted to show you that. Just walking through the town. Some stores are open, some are closed due to Christmas and holiday season. Very beautiful town. There's that Indian restaurant, Babu's. Look at these. Oh wow, that's cool. Wow. Nice artwork. More lucha libre masks. Spider-Man. Look at this spring fountain.